Listen to the engine roar, that's my starting gun. American street, so watch how it's done. Lacing up the kicks, leaving shadows behind. Entering the zone where the fearless are blind. To the danger, to the fear, only motion is real. Grinding on the edge, yeah, you know how I feel. Adrenaline pumping, the vision goes blur. Every step I take is a rapid fire slur. Time is slowing down, but I'm speeding it up. Drinking from the overflowing rebel cup. Leaping on the roof, feel the fury of the wind. Pushing past the edge where the new worlds begin. Catch the moment now, taste the ultimate free. Velocity and fire, yeah, that's my legacy. We run the city underground, we own the night. Creating new dimensions in the flashing light. Left dodge, right swerve, trains passing by. Sprinting on the tracks, aiming for the sky. Got a skater soul running through my veins. Breaking all the rules, shattering the chains. Step by step, making gravity a joke. Disappearing in the tunnel like a puff of smoke. The subway is a circuit, friction sparks fly. Not a passenger tonight, I'm the captain high. Adrenaline pumping, the vision goes blur. Every step I take is a rapid fire slur. Time is slowing down, but I'm speeding it up. Drinking from the overflowing rebel cup. Leaping on the roof, feel the fury of the wind. Pushing past the edge where the new worlds begin. Catch the moment now, take the ultimate free. Velocity and fire, yeah, that's my legacy. We run the city underground, we own the night. Creating new dimensions in the flashing light. Underground arteries. Underground arteries pumping the steel. Living in the present is the only thing real. Forget the past, the future is now. Sweat on my brow, take a bow, hear the crowd. But there is no crowd, just the echo of the rail. Writing my own story, leaving my own trail. Through the flickering lights, through the dust and the grime. I'm out running space and I'm out running time. Focus, breathe, feel the track vibrate. Hold a second still, unlock the gate.